How to move or rearrange apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the basic ways to change, or you can just change the apps arrangement, is simply make a long press on the apps over here. So if I want to change or move the Snapchat app to a next screen, just make a long press and then drag it to the place where you'd want to shift it. So here you can see you have moved the app on a different screen. Now if you want to rearrange it yet again, next what you can simply do is make a long press on the home screen, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on more, and here you can just scroll down and tap on the option of arrange items in recents over here. You can do that, or you can also tap on this option of fill cells of uninstalled apps, and whenever you shift any app, then it will be arranged accordingly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.